Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing for y'all. Now, this comes to me from a company called PICMONDOO or PICMONDOO. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I've heard it pronounced both ways, so that there's the spelling. All right, and then you can see it says Love, Create, Dream. That is their catchphrase logo. And then diamond painting. Now, like, again, this is out of Germany. So everything is written in German, which I cannot read or speak. So we're just going to assume what it says. So we know that this is going to be, illustrating how to diamond paint. I'm going to say that this is their, their socials and all of that stuff. Now, on the end, there is a picture of the canvas, but I'm not going to show y'all that. So they contacted me and asked me if I would like to show a couple of their products, and I said absolutely. And they told me to go pick something off of their website, and so I did. And then they sent me their advent calendar, which I have been showing shorts videos of what's in the advent calendar. So I just received the diamond painting that I picked out, so I was wanting to unbox this. Now, I've already took the plastic off, so all we got to do is open it. So I hope everyone's having a great day, a great week. All right, we're going to set that over to the side. So already I can see this does not come in any kind of sleeve or anything. It's just rolled up and stuck in the box. All right, so I don't want y'all to see it yet. So let's just unroll this. Whoops. All right, so there's the toolkit, the drills, and we have instructions and a picture of it. So as you can see, they have got a very soft felt backing on here, and all of these little lines that you see, that they're fine. It's not going to affect your canvas at all. Because once you start working on this, number one, it's going to flatten out. And two, when you pull the plastic, it's going to straighten. It's just where the plastic was rolled on there, and then they rolled it, and it just kind of made some indentions. So this is the color palette of the canvas. This is an autumn scene. So the colors are a little muted. So this is also a square. So you're going to see some oranges and greens and browns and reds. And we'll look at these here in just a second. Let's go ahead and look at their toolkit. So again, it's in German, so I don't know. But create. All right, so looks like they just have a standard toolkit. So you get your single placer pen and your squishy that goes down on here. I can never get those on. But anyway, you slide this on and it's a comfort grip. Then they give you a multiplacer. And just stick those back in there. You're going to get 2 heart-shaped pink waxes. And that's a pretty pink, too. Alright. And then you get a standard tray that has got glitter in it. You can see the glitter with a spout. So just your standard toolkit. And that's all you need. Okay, so this is the image that I picked out. So you can see her face and everything is a little weird looking. Well, you just got to trust the process because it's going to come out looking like it's supposed to. So this is what she's going to look like when she's finished. And there are 58 colors. We have got some special somethings in here. But it looks like we have got symbols, letters, numbers. Nothing too horrible. And they are individually cut so that you can put them on your containers. And then on the back, it's just a QR code. And it tells you how to diamond paint. So there's that. Alright, so this canvas was called Apple Girl Ruby. I'm going to assume her name is Ruby, and she is Apple Girl. Because in the background, this is a tree, an apple tree. And then, let's see. She is, where's it at? She is a 50 by 75, and that is the item number. Can y'all see that? Or did I just... Okay, anyway. Let me turn her around. Alright, so you're going to see that the edges of the canvas is serged, scalloped, all of that good stuff to keep it from fraying. They do have the name of their company, PICMONDOO, however you want to pronounce it, up at the top, along with the Love, Create, and Dream. Over here on the side, you're going to see a thumbnail and the legend or schematic key, whatever you want to call this. And it's going to show all your colors and the DMC numbers. All right. Now, if you can see their canvas, the outside of their canvas is colored, and it's got like these little stars and little thingies on it. So if you come around here, on the other side, they have another schematic, but it's upside down. So if you are like me and you like to flip and flop your canvas, and some people like to start at the bottom, some people like to start at the top, your key is going to be flipped the other way around so that you can still read it. Then there's your QR code. So that's pretty cool that they do that. Now, this is poured glue. This is a square drills, very sticky, and this is like really, really, really thick. Like really thick plastic. So, and it looks pretty good. Hopefully you can see the drill field. I don't know if it's coming through or not. Anyway, it's very clear. I mean, I can see it quite well. I'm not seeing any issues that are jumping out at me. Now, again, she's going to look kind of strange, but you just got to trust that process because she's going to come out. Once you start laying the drills, she's going to come out looking really good. So let's look at the drills. I don't normally do this, but when it's a new company, I like to look and see what I'm working with. Alright, so looks like these are all cut in strips, which is going to be easier to get them in the bag, that's for sure. So it has the DMC numbers labeled on the bags along with the company name. So as you can see, like I said, there are some browns and reds. Looks like there's probably going to be some static in these, which is not a big deal. All you got to do is cut you up some dryer sheet. Doesn't matter what brand, what flavor. It don't matter. Cut you up some dryer sheet. Stick it in your container, whether it be a container, a baggie, whatever. Shake it around, and it'll get rid of the static, I promise. So there's 3 bags of $9.19. Now, I don't know how well these are going to be. They are resin. Did I already say that? I don't know if I said that or not. They are resin drills. I'm going to say I kind of like the way that they have these cut in strips. That way it's easier to get back in the package. I know these all look muted, but again, it's a fall, autumn image. So they're going to be all fall, autumn colors. So that's $8.14. All right, so these... No, not this strip. This strip. Okay, so we're going to have 2 fairy dusts, which are these 2. And then a metallic. And then 2 ABs. Now, every canvas that you get will have some kind of special drill in them. Now, whether or not it has all of them in one canvas, or it might just have an AB or 2, or it could have, like this one, it could have, you know, 3 different special drills. I don't know. Like I said, this is my first look at this company also. So y'all are seeing what I'm seeing. Now, I don't know if all the canvases are going to have their drills cut like this either, so I don't know. I have not seen any videos for this company. Not because they're not out there, it's just because I've not watched them. Because I wanted to have my own personal opinion of the company. So, as far as I am seeing, I think they look good. I think it's going to turn out like it's supposed to. Again, here's the image once she's finished, and she's gorgeous. They have got all kinds of canvases to choose from. So she's going to be really pretty. Really pretty. And I do like, I don't know why I brought y'all down. I do like the way that the outline of the canvas is, you know, not just white. They have put some color on there. And I like the fact that they flip the key to where if you go by this on the canvas, then you should be able to see it anyway you've got your canvas flipped. But yeah, I think she's going to turn out really good. I mean, like I said, I mean, you really, the way that it's rendered on here, you really are not going to know what it looks like until you actually start putting your drills on here. But it should come out the way it's supposed to. So, all right. So, y'all let me know what you think. Has anyone worked on this company's canvases? Let me know in the comments. Again, I will have this linked in the description box. You can go check this out. And I just want to say thank you to PICMONDOO for sending this to me to review and to share with all of y'all. And yeah, I can't wait to start on her. Don't know when that'll be, but I can't wait to start on her because I think she's just absolutely gorgeous. So, all right. I appreciate y'all watching, and make sure you do all the YouTubey things. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.